If you choose to add your 6-word story into your image and as you're working on your practice image, it's important to think about a couple of different things with your font. First of all, think about the size of your font, the placement of your font, and the color of your font. You want the size to not take away from your image, but kind of work well with what's going on. So the size of this font does not take away from my focal point. My focal point still stands out more. And I think what also helps is the color is blended in. It's the same color of the trees. So think about maybe repeating colors that are found within your image. This photo here is a really nice example of repeating a color that's found within the image. So the focal point here, I use the same color on the shirt as the font or as the text here. So it's just repeating that color works nicely. Another thing is thinking about the placement. So with this font, you're able to see that it lines up and follows along the edge of this angled rock. So maybe having the font either follow along a horizon line or a strong angle that could be found within your photos. If you find that a word stands out too much, so maybe on this image, the or just existing font might stand out a little bit too much. Something you can do, a quick fix for that, is adjusting the opacity. So I can take the opacity down on my layers panel, and that automatically helps it to kind of blend in with the surroundings and not be as bright or stand out too much. Take a look at the other videos on the website here and see if there's any that would help as you're getting started.